Today I'm at Little Talbot Island State Park and I'm going to walk to Reach Trail. So the plan is to go all around the island. First I'm gonna head to the north end, and if I still feel like, then I'm gonna head to the south end. Let's go. This trail is pretty sandy, soft. First I thought that I'm gonna ride my bike here, but no way. Other thing what you have to look is mosquitoes. And I thought today is a little bit windy, so I didn't even spray. And now I already feel them. Look, this trail is pretty nice. It goes up and down in the woods. Ooh, so many mosquitoes. I need to speed up. Anyway, look at that. It's a nice trail, but I have to run because the mosquitoes are chasing me. You definitely need to have a bug spray if you decide to walk this trail here in Little Talbot Island. But other than mosquitoes, it's a beautiful trail. Look at that. Northern Cardinal. Beautiful. She's checking me out. Look at that. Northern Guardian is checking me out. That's so cool. Wide-eyed video. Blue jay. Look at this blue color. Oh my. Took off. It's been a couple of miles in and I'm almost out. I mean, I still have a little bit to go. So once I get out of the trail, I'm gonna walk on the beach. It's nice here. I like it. Here you go. This is the end of the trail. Getting out the ocean. See? So now I'm gonna continue by the beach all the way to the north end. Tide is going out and I have more and more space. Flying away. Look at that. Violet is coming. That's the violet. How am I supposed to get to the other side without getting my feet wet? I guess I have to just take my shoes off, or let's see. Not that deep, but I don't want to take my shoes off. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna run through. Let's run! So I see some white pelicans there. And lots of shorebirds. See, white pelicans are resting. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't you worry, I'm just passing by. There are actually 6 of them. Oh wow, look at that. There are 9 oyster catchers. Usually you don't see that many. I'm gonna take a closer look of those oyster catchers. I see 7 of them. I don't wanna disturb them. But look how beautiful it is. Look how tidal waters have carved in. I thought I'm gonna step on it. It's just a mud. Look at that. Wow. You can't walk on it. I'm glad I didn't jump on it. Tide is going down and it opens up the beach. There are lots of sanderlings, swirlets, couple of great egrets. What else we have here? Black-bellied flowers. So, typical birds what you can find on the beach. Alright, I'm gonna start walking back. What is this? My best guess would be it's a part of shrimp boat. What else it could be? They probably attached a net here and it lowers down. Who knows? Interesting. Tide is going out and it opens up a whole new area. You know, in high tide, this all would be underwater. Sanderling. Look at all this driftwood. Ocean is carving in, slowly but surely. Wow, that's pretty cool. It's a beautiful day to be out here. back. That was a nice walk. I did the north end of Little Talbot Island. And yeah, let's see how many miles I walked. Let me see what it says. 6.13. Yeah, a little over 6 miles. Very good. Now I don't feel like going south end. Good enough for the day. Gonna leave that another time. Look at all these birds supposed to be here. I didn't see the black skimmers or these tents. It's too late for these tents. Yeah, he's like on a mission. That was a big giant coffer turtle. So I don't think I'm gonna go anywhere else. It was a good walk, 6 miles. Just way to come out. It's a beautiful day. Temperature is perfect, in 70s. Yeah, now I'm heading back home. Okay, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.